Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add class attributes to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application which is Sublime Text. We can use other text editors if required to, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text, click on this, and then we should have the pre-loaded code in from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for index.html, and then come back to Sublime Text, and then increase the size of the text editor Sublime Text, and now you're ready to start inserting class attributes to your HTML website, so we can now cancel out any code we no longer require. So if I was to highlight the image and hello world, Command / to cancel out, change HTML image to class attributes. So the heading itself is done. Now we can move on to the other HTML. We need a div class to divide all the content. Less than div class equals cities. Go to a new line and now add in a heading as well as a paragraph. Autofill. Go back to heading, type in London. Go to the paragraph and type in London is the capital city of England. And then end with the div tag. And now we can copy the previous lines of code and then paste onto a new line and then change the div class and all the information inside the div tags. Highlight, Command C to copy, go to a new line, paste once, twice, change London to another city such as Paris, and then say Paris is the capital city of France. And go to the third div class and type in Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Now if we were to run the file and open up in a web browser, it would be incomplete as we do not have the internal, external, or inline CSS to change what we have on screen. So if we do that now, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube channel, Tutorials, HTML tutorials, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, so we can decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, likewise with the text edit file on Sublime Text. And now we can simultaneously work on both windows at the same time. So we have a website with class attributes. However, we need to add the CSS, could be internal, external, or inline to change what we see on screen. So go within head, or we can go to style.css. Within this, bring in the CSS. So .cities, curly brace, new line, background color, black, semicolon, new line color, margin, padding. make this 20 pixels, semicolon, new line, padding, 20 pixels again, semicolon, command S to say go back to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and what happens? Now we have a website with class attributes, London, Paris, Tokyo, all controlled from div classes 1, 2, 3, and we also have an external style sheet that controls the website. The HTML class attribute is used to define equal styles for elements within the same class name. So all the HTML elements with the same class attribute will get the same style. If we change something, what we see on screen will be different, as we have different classes, different attributes. So we can now quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.